Cesium and francium.
Yes.
It is a metals alpha.
It's alkali metals, yes? Good. Second question. What's properties of alkali metals according to their atomic structure? Ramazan.
Their electrons configuration and with NS1 it means that they have one valence electrons and form past one charged
Yes.
ions.
Yes, thank you. Sit down. Third question. What is the physical and chemical properties of alkali metals? Yaroslav, please.
This is alkali metals are the most activity metals. The oxides of alkali metals have basic properties, and the aqueous solutions of their oxides give bases. And the alkali metals reaction with oxygen, reaction with halogen, reaction with sulfur, reaction with water. They react with water and produce bases.
Yes, thank you. Here I will show you formulas and we say name the compounds of alkali metals whose formulas are given. Please. Arafat.
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide, yes. Alina.
Sodium oxide.
Sodium oxide. It's Arafat.
Potassium hydroxide.
Potassium hydroxide, yes. Milana.
Potassium oxide.
Potassium oxide. Sabrina.
Lithium oxide.
Lithium oxide. It's
Sodium chloride.
sodium chloride. And
Potassium chloride.
potassium chloride. Thank you very much. Let's go our lesson. Our theme. Our theme in our lesson is group 2 metals and their compounds. And learning objectives are comparison of general properties of metals of group 1 and group 2 and constructions of reaction equations. And explain the basic properties of calcium oxide and hydroxide and describe this application. We must now watch the video and answer the questions.
Химия стремится бара. Сіздермен бірге әдеттегідей мен Айжан Сұлтан. Сонымен, екінші топ металдары. Оларды біз қайда таба аламыз? Әрине, периодтық кестеден. Периодтық кестенің жоғары жағында 18 топ көрсетілген. Сол топтың екіншісіне қарайтын болсақ, онда біз екінші топ металдарды көре аламыз дейміз. Соның мысалы ретінде кальцийді көрсетіп отырмыз. Кальций достар сыртқы энергетикалық деңгейіне назар аударатын болсақ, яғни А детальдар бар және олар сақинат күйінде кездеседі, яғни энергетикалық деңгейде. Сол ең соңғы энергетикалық деңгейде ең соңғы
Answer the questions, please. First question: what is the atomic symbol for calcium? Ramazan.
It's a symbol of calcium.
It's a symbol of calcium. Yes, thank you. Second question: what is the atomic mass of body? Milana.
The atomic mass of barley with 137.
137. the element that is has the atomic number 12 is a alpha.
The element that has the atomic number 12 is magnesium.
Magnesium. Good. What is the atomic mass of beryllium? Sabrina.
The atom mass of beryllium 9.
9. Yes. Thank you very much. Now we will individual work. Individual work in a weak cards lecture. Are you ready, students?
Yes.
Milana, please answer.
Alkaline metals is sodium, lithium, potassium. Non-metals is
Non-metals is
nitrogen, phosphor. Elements to our group is magnesium, calcium.
Thank you very much. Now we are work in a group. True or false? If you are ready, come to the blackboard and answer. Group 1, Erasmus, come to the blackboard.
This is work in group. True or false? This one. Calcium is in alkaline metal. Is it true?
Yes.
Sequence number of calcium 21. False. This is calcium number 20. 3. On contact with iron, calcium forms a dark layer. True. Its physical and chemical properties are closer to its heavier homologous strontium and barium. This is true.
Yes.
Barium is a chemical element with the symbol Bari. True. Bari atomic number 65. False.
Yes. You are check. Sit down, please. And group 2, Arafat. Continue.
Its high chemical reactivity barium is never found in nature as a free element. True. Barium is a soft silvery alkaline earth metal. True. Magnesium is a not element. False.
False.
It is a shiny gray solid that has close resemblance to the other 5 elements in second column. True. All elements of group 2 have the same electron. True. Magnesium atomic number. False.
False. Yes, thank you very much. Let's check right questions. Calcium is an alkaline metal. It's a true. Sequence number of calcium 21. It's false. On contact with air, calcium forms a dark layer. True. Its physical and chemical properties are closest to its heavy, homologous strontium and barium. True. Barium is a chemical element with symbol Bari. True. Bari atomic number is 65.
False.
Its high chemical reactivity barium is never found in nature as a free element. True. Barium is a soft silvery alkaline earth metal. True. Magnesium is a not element. False. It's a shiny gray solid that has a close physical resemblance to the other 5 elements in the second column. True. All elements of group 2 have the same electron. True. Magnesium feedback